How do you remove suggested people on Messenger? Hey there, in today's video, I will show you some easy steps. By following this, you can solve it yourself. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, open Messenger. Tap on the three dots at the top left corner. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down. Tap on the Account Center. And tap your information and permission. Then tap on Upload Contacts. Now tap on Facebook. Make sure to turn off the Upload Contacts. And back to the previous page. Now tap on Messenger. Then tap on Upload Contact. And make sure the Upload Contact is turned off. So, this is the way you can hide your suggested contact on Messenger. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then give a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.